Hi, Phelim Killough jumping on here to announce that our holiday data tracker is now live. And this is a place where you can come and look at e-commerce performance throughout the holiday season. So I'm just going to give a quick tour of the page and explain a video of what everything means. So the live holiday data tracker starts with holiday season at a glance. This is overall e-commerce data and compared to last year. We're defining the holiday season this year as the entirety of Q4. So what we're seeing here is a rolling number for Q4 um, on sales, average order value, and fraud pressure. Fraud pressure is the measure of how risky the traffic is we're seeing, or how many or how much in value we're seeing in risky traffic as deemed by Signifyd models. We then have a holiday deep dive. This is where we can look at weekly data, either in all industries, or we can drill down into individual verticals. And these charts will populate as we move through the quarter, update it every Wednesday. So we have holiday sales, we have our forecast, which is done on a quarterly level, and also we have a prediction for Cyber 5. So we think Cyber 5 is going to grow slightly more than the Q4 in its entirety. We can look at weekly data in terms of average order value. We can see it's down this year in the first week of October. We can look at fraud pressure. We can look at first party fraud, which is what we look at is a measure of how much of our chargebacks are coming in as first party fraud or friendly fraud. And then the last chart is just a Cyber Week sales chart, which will be updated daily once Cyber Week starts. So do check back to see up to date data when we release that. That is a quick explainer video of what we have in the video, what we have in the page. Do come back and check in weekly. Thank you very much.